Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package I picked up from the SNKRS app. So let's crack this open right here. I originally didn't grab it, but when they restocked it, I decided to pick up a pair. And I believe right now they are still on the SNKRS app. So if you actually wanted this, you can actually grab it. So here it is right here. There's the Nike receipt. And this is actually the first pair I got of this model. So as you can see right here from the box, it has Vapormax right there. You got the Nike swoosh up top, Vapormax branding. This is a size 10 in men's and a size 11.5 in women's. This is the Nike Air Vapormax Flyknit BHM, and suggested retail is $205, and colorway is black, white. So let's crack this open right here. On the paper, it does say Vapormax on it. And here are the shoes. And the shoe itself, again, this is the first time I've actually even looked at one or even picked one up. It is very light. As you can see, you have this visible air unit, throughout the whole bottom right here. And you get the hits of that green, red, and black. And at the bottom, on one pair, it will say Air Max on it. And then the other one, it actually has the Nike swoosh. So the bottoms are slightly different, as you can see right there. And then you have this upper right here, which is the Flyknit upper. Again, more hits of that red, black, and green right there. You got BHM in gold on the tongue. And I believe from what I've seen, oh yeah, the lace tips are gold right here. And there's this date right here on the heel, 8/20/1993. There's been a couple different versions of what that date's supposed to be. Some people are saying that it's for, I believe, the 25th anniversary of Colin Jackson breaking a world record in the 110 meter hurdles. But from Nike itself, they are saying that it's basically for honoring Gail Devers. For earning double gold, at the IAAF World Championship in Stuttgart. That's, I believe, Germany. Basically, one for the world for the 100 meter hurdles, and the other is for the 100 meter, regular 100 meter dash. So who really, but again, directly from Nike, this is saying that it's for the Gail Devers, honoring Gail Devers right there. Here is the other pair right here. And as far as the insole, it does have, running right there. Again, the green, black, and red. And I believe that's basically for the Pan-African flag right there. It says running. And the size tag is actually on the insole, which is kind of different. Because on here itself, all you do have is the size of the shoe, size 10 underneath. But that's pretty much it. Again, just a quick look at this shoe. Again, this is my first pair of Vapormax, and from what I've heard, you actually have to break it in, actually wear it a couple times for it to feel comfortable. So I'll trying it out. Alright YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright YouTube, peace out.